Bhutan. It's our day 3. So कल हम इतना ज़्यादा थक गए थे. I couldn't film anything. Here there were limited rooms, so everybody couldn't get a view wala room. So they asked us to pick a key, and they only gave us the first key. And just look at this. This is the view from our room. My phone is not doing any justice to it. This is the city of Thimphu. We can see all the buildings, they all look same. So in Thimphu, actually in Bhutan, all the buildings they look same. Their architecture is so pretty. Yesterday we went to market. It was so peaceful. Like हमारे यहाँ तो एक छोटे से दुकान में भी चले जाओ, people will be shouting, bargaining, something. यहाँ पे I don't know, there was no crowd. मार्केट में हमें उतनी ज़्यादा चीज़ें नहीं मिली. I got one shawl because it was so nice and I wanted a shawl from long time. Today we are going to visit Punakha and for that we should be leaving by 7 क्योंकि यहाँ से 2.5 hours लगता है जाने के लिए. And then again 2.5 hours we have to come back to stay in this hotel only. So 5 hours will be the journey, and apart from that there will be sightseeing. So today we'll be seeing the longest suspension bridge in Bhutan, and we'll be visiting Dochula mountain pass and also Punakha zone. यहाँ पे एक चीज़ गड़बड़ हो गई है. I bought a skirt which is a long skirt, but our guide keeps telling कि you should wear long pants. जब भी उनसे ड्रेस के बारे में पूछो, and we cannot wear sleeveless while visiting any zone. We should be covering our shoulder, and by covering our shoulder they expect if we wear full sleeves it is well and good. But I have bought a long skirt which is a maxi length, so that will work. And if you don't have a full sleeve top, you can maybe carry a jacket. Even if you are wearing sleeveless, you can carry a jacket on top of it, visit the zone, and then come out and you can remove that. And that is what I'm going to do today. So let's get ready fatafat se. And yeah, let's go to Punakha. Simply so much will do, and now flows like that. We are going for breakfast. We are on vacation.
Dirty lift.
We are on vacation. बहुत खट्टा है. How's the orange juice? I think same.
I like that.
How's the? How's the? Good job.
Even I
ये
like
अच्छा लगा.
butter. Put this, it will be more good.
ये नहीं लग रहा है.
But you said
This one I don't like.
butter.
बहुत ज़्यादा sweet jam, no? This is not that much sweet. हाँ, here sugar is I think कम खाता है. Yeah. It's not melting on this. Melted little bit.
It's not good but cold, so I'm feeling good.
Hello, so there is a change in plan. The outfit which I planned, वो अब मैं नहीं पहन रही हूँ क्योंकि I am not in a mood to get ready. I am so tired. So this is what I am wearing. I got ready and done. This one shoes also we need. हाँ खाली पैर जा सकते हैं ना. So that is fine. This I won't take. And whether to carry the other one or not, I was thinking.
Ooh, that is not matching only on this dress.
Should I put clip? This is mine. बाहर पिक्सल है.
Here. Come.
We are at 108 Memorials to pass, and it's so cold here. Weather in Thimphu was like moderate, and suddenly it's so cold. One fact about Dochula mountain pass is that we can be able to see the Himalayan range from here, but when we went, the weather was so foggy we could not see it. This is nice. Hey Meghna.
Yay. मैं सेल्फी कर लूँ.
Our next stop will be the suspension bridge, but before that, we had the option to do river rafting, which was optional and not included in the package. We were so scared as I have never done river rafting in my life, but we thought कि चलो करते हैं. So per person the fees was 2,500. So whatever activities we are going to do, that is not included in the package. So all the details about the expenses, the entry fees, the food charges and the package I have added in the end of the video. So do watch till the end. This is a tent for changing.
कौन ले इसमें बिल्ला. साइड पर खाइए कि नहीं.
Hi. So we finally did rafting.
Yes.
And safely we are here.
We are alive.
And
We
this
were
is our
doubtful if
tent
we had
for
to do it or
changing.
no, and finally we did it.
We came back alive.
Yes, we are alive with an experience, great experience.
Where are you? We are on the longest suspension bridge. It's so windy here. I'll walk till the center of the bridge and show you. It's really very long. And ये shake हो रहा है. आज यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा धूप है, बहुत ज़्यादा. It's like burning. Since we did rafting उसके बाद तो और भी ज़्यादा धूप लग रही है. Oh, let me show you how deep it is below. Meghna, come. It is shaking. It's so windy.
No, I think we are in center. That's why it's not shaking.
No, that time if people come, na, it will shake.
No, it's so fine.
Now it's fine. That time lot of people, no, and they're walking like this, like this. One thing I observed, he's bringing for lunch coffee next to the side.
We'll just have a group picture over here. Maybe like we are in the daylight, so alright. What happens is when you check the group picture, you know, you will never look at your friends. You will simply just focus on yourself. Okay, perfect. Come, yeah.
Hello, so I'm back at my room and it's the end of day 2. And it's the end of day 3, that is day 2 of sightseeing. Today we basically covered 3 sightseeing, and the most exciting part I felt was river rafting. We were not ready for river rafting, but मैंने ये पहले कभी नहीं किया था, so I wanted to try. And अगर आपने पहले किया है so you can skip that. लेकिन अगर पहले नहीं किया है, so for beginners this is really good and very safe. Where the tides are not that strong, so आप कर सकते हो. If you have time, you should definitely try this one. Next, the suspension bridge was empty. That was good. There was no crowd. तो वहाँ पे जो है काफ़ी तेज़ हवा चल रही थी. So I'm glad I did not wore the other outfit which I planned and bought, क्योंकि वहाँ पे हवा बहुत तेज़ है. So try to wear something which is long, or better to wear trousers. And we had tea at a cafe, and for lunch we had momo, as you saw. So tea was a bit costly here in Thimphu. In evening it started raining, and as soon as it rains यहाँ का temperature कम हो जाता है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा ठंड बढ़ जाती है. So इस वक्त again it's very cold. So the lunch is not included in the package. They will provide us with breakfast and dinner, and first day and last day dinner is also not included. Other than that, every day they are providing a good dinner. Yesterday we had a buffet and it was really good. For breakfast again there were many options. That was also good. Everywhere you'll get warm water, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ठंड बहुत ज़्यादा है. Usually लोग गर्म पानी पीते हैं, तो आप रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हो. They will provide you. So the stay and everything, I don't have any complaints. Talking about the expenses, how much we spent today. So for river rafting, it costed us 2,500 per person. Then for Punakha Zong, it was 500 for entry fee. There usually people go and we can meditate. It was nice. Since we had rafting, we were really tired. So after that, going to the Zong was really peaceful. And apart from that, for food, we did not spend much. And for the 108 memorial stupas, for that there is no entry fee. And right now I'm so tired. This journey is really long from the place where we are staying. So Thimphu to Punakha, it's like takes around 2.5 to 3 hours, and in between we saw all these sites. With that said, I'll end day 3 here and go and have my dinner. Bye.